All right, let's get right into it. If you're over 60, chances are you've been told that a daily walk is the absolute best thing for staying active. But what if I told you that walk, the one you've been counting on for years, isn't the whole story? What if there's a much more powerful way to move your body?
Yep, you read that right. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's time to rethink everything you thought you knew about your daily routine. Because what ancient wisdom has known for centuries and what modern science is just now confirming could honestly change the game for you.
So, this is the big question we're really digging into. Is that simple stroll around the block truly enough to keep you strong, balanced, and sharp? Or could it actually be holding you back from a whole other level of wellness?
Okay, look at this. This slide really breaks it down. A conventional walk, it's all about cardio and just covering distance. You know, basic fitness. But these ancient mindful movements, they're completely different. The focus is on healing, on balance, on clarity. The goal is internal harmony, which leads to this incredible, holistic kind of strength.
And listen, this isn't just some theory. We are talking about real-deal practices that are inspired by some of the longest living people on the entire planet. This is all about moving with real intention, not just, putting one foot in front of the other.
The proof is pretty amazing when you look at it. I mean, in parts of rural China, you've got people thriving well past 100 years old. And their secret? It's not some fancy gym or a high-tech treadmill. It's these ancient daily movements. And look, this isn't just some old wives' tale. Top-tier researchers from places like Harvard are backing this up. They're seeing measurable results, like lower blood pressure and way less inflammation, stuff a basic walk just can't compete with.
First up is a practice called Guolin walking. Now, I want you to think of this less as a workout and more as a way to use your own breath to literally heal your body with every single step you take.
So, what's the secret sauce here? It's all about the connection between your breath and your movement. Guolin walking syncs them up perfectly. It seems like a simple idea, right? But the effects are seriously profound. It's about turning a simple walk into this powerful, therapeutic ritual for your body. And get this, the results are real. You can actually measure them. A 2019 study out of Beijing found that adults over 60 saw a whopping 27% improvement in their cardiovascular endurance after just 12 weeks. That is a huge gain from such a gentle daily practice.
And here's the best part. It's so easy to start. You just find a quiet spot. As you step with your left foot, you breathe in deep through your nose. As you step with your right foot, you breathe out gently through your mouth. That's it. You just let your breath set the pace. It's not about speed at all. It's about finding that perfect calming rhythm between your body and your breath.
All right, next up is a big one, Tai Chi. If you are at all concerned about your stability, about preventing falls, then this is something you are definitely going to want to pay close attention to.
You've probably heard Tai Chi called a moving meditation, and that's exactly what it is. It's so graceful and flowing, but don't let that fool you. This practice is scientifically proven to build serious lower body strength and coordination, which are the two exact things you need to stay steady on your feet.
I mean, just look at these numbers. According to Harvard Health, Tai Chi can slash your risk of falling by up to 40%. And a Stanford study, it showed a 31% increase in lower body strength. That's not just impressive. For a lot of folks, that is life-changing. You're doing the work with these exercises, which is awesome. Now let's make sure your body has the right building blocks to actually hold on to that new strength. You can check out the Advanced Amino Formula. It's honestly what helps reverse that muscle loss. The link is easy to find below in the description. Don't be intimidated. Getting started is way easier than it looks. Just stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees a little bent. As you shift your weight to one leg, you slowly lift your hands. As you shift to the other, you gently lower them. The real key is syncing it all up with your breath. Inhale as you rise, exhale as you lower. Simple.
Here's a great way to think about it. This quote really nails the feeling. It's not about sharp, quick movements. Just imagine you're moving through water, slow, deliberate, and totally graceful. That right there is the essence of Tai Chi.
Okay, last but definitely not least, we have Baduanjin, also known as the 8 brocades. So if Guolin is for your healing breath and Tai Chi is for balance, think of this one as a complete internal tune-up for your entire body.
This one has been around for, get this, nearly 1,000 years. It's a series of 8 really simple, flowing movements. They're designed to gently stretch your muscles, get your organs activated, and just get your energy flowing smoothly through your whole system.
And you want to hear something crazy? A 2022 study found that adults over 60 saw a 38% improvement in their flexibility after just 8 weeks of doing this every day. 38%. That just goes to show you how quickly your body can respond to the right kind of movement.
So just to give you a little taste, the very first movement is called lifting the sky. You just inhale and raise your arms up, then exhale and lower them down. Another one involves a super gentle spinal twist. Every single one of the 8 movements is just as easy and accessible, focusing on that beautiful flow and deep, steady breathing.
This is the feeling that people who practice it always talk about. Even though you're moving, you start to feel this deep sense of internal calm and quiet. It's that unique combination that really makes Baduanjin so incredibly powerful. So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? It's a whole new philosophy, really. It's not about pushing your body to the absolute limit. It's about moving with intelligence, with intention. It's about moving smarter, not harder. Okay, let's get real for a second. These exercises are incredible for most people who want a low-impact way to improve balance and just calm their mind. But, and this is super important, if you have certain pre-existing conditions like serious heart issues or uncontrolled high blood pressure, or if you've had recent surgery, you absolutely must talk to your doctor first. Bottom line, always listen to your body.
So this is the bottom line, folks. We got to redefine what strong really means as we get older. It's not about how fast you can walk or how much you can lift. True strength is in your stability, your ability to control your breath, and the clarity of your mind.
Let me leave you with this final thought. What if aging isn't about slowing down or declining at all? What if it's really an invitation to move with more wisdom, with more purpose? These practices, they don't just improve how your body works, they actually remind your body how to heal and grow stronger, gently, every single day. So what are you waiting for? You're not too old for this, you're just getting started.